Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be creating this everyday clean makeup look using all the MyGlamm products only, and I have linked all these products in the description below, as well as you can see the names on the screen. Keep watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe.
Like my love for you, I stuck myself and out I shut my mouth. Don't hold my thoughts, they echo on you, echo on you. And when I close my eyes, I still see your smile, and it breaks my heart that I'm not next to you anymore. Your lovely eyes, those soft eyes, those glassy words, see right through your lies. Talk to me so easily and mess with me so carelessly. You're supposed to know I'm in love, I'm so in love. Keep it her, I won't mind. Maybe running will be better anyway. Hold my hand for a while, even if I know you can be mine. You won't be mine, you can be mine.